Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to help you fix a frustrating issue in EAFC 24. The card not found error. The problem has been plugging many players. But don't worry, I have got you covered. If you are experiencing this issue, you might see your ultimate team cards appear as a black or with a not found messages. This can be really annoying, especially when you are trying to manage your team or open packs. The good news is that there is a few simple steps you can take and resolve the problems. First, try deleting your UT squad update. To do this, go to the main menu, select setting and then profile and choose delete. Remove the UT squad update and restart your game. This often fixes the issue by the forcing a new squad update. If deleting the squad update doesn't work, you might need to reinstall the game. This can be a bit more involved, but it's been reported to fix the problem for many players. Make sure you delete the any saved data related to the ultimate team before the reinstalling to ensure the clean start. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your console's cache and the checking for any updates to the game. Sometimes these simple steps can resolve connectivity or data issues that might be causing the problems. And that's it. Hopefully this step have helped you fix the card not found error in EAFC 24. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.